This is the continuation of the discussion last time about the AIS. AIS stands for, this is what you call the Assurance Information Security. So we have the part one, and this is the continuation of the part one discussion. Last time we used the ORD, and of course we have the CHR. So if you're talking about the ORD, we convert the character into its corresponding value. Like for example, we have here the num1, and then we have to type here A. And then if you print this print, and then we use the ORD. I think you still remember this last time. We have the num1, and then we print that. Of course, it has corresponding value of what? 97. Now, what if we, of course, convert this to its corresponding value for a value as a number? Then we can say, well, print, then say we have here the HSR, and then we have here, of course, the, let's say, B or 65. Okay, let us print that. And we have letter A for 65. Okay, let us write a program, of course, that will enhance more our knowledge in protecting ourselves against, of course, the intruder. So we will be using, of course, a simple program right here. And we will be using the following statements for Python. We have the hex, and of course, we have the bin. So this is like, a basic type of creating encrypted data. But again, this can help you. This will serve as an opener for you to fabricate your own functions or classes for your files. Okay, now let us start right here. Let's say we have here def, and then we're gonna use first, of course, let us try to print. Of course, we have here the bin, and then check the bin of, let's say we have here bin 10, 12. So what will happen if we have the 12 value? It will convert it to this binary value. And let's say we have here the print, and then we have here the hex. Okay, let us convert this to hex value. So we have there, of course, the hex value of number 12, 0xc. Now, we will create a program, of course, to create a password. Let's say we have to create here for the function def convert, and then we have here it convert bin. Okay, and we have the variable of x, and let's return the value of x. So return, let's say return, and then we have here bin x, okay, plus. Okay, that's how we separate the value from the data. Okay, now we use this program inside of the Python. So we have here num1 equals to, let's say, 233, and then we print the value of that. Okay, print. This is the bin value of, and then we have their num1, and then print. Then let us give a space in gap for our program. Print. Then we have your convert bin, and then put the number inside. So this is where we create the arguments inside the function. So we have the convert bin, and of course x stands for as a parameter to return the value of any number that represents any integer. Okay, so when we print the program, okay, we run the program rather. So this is now, of course, the conversion of that data. Okay, let us use this using, of course, another program. Let's say we have here def, then convert hex, and then we have here y. Okay, print or return, then let's say hex y, and then plus. Okay, let us put some ornament parts of the output, and then let's say print to convert. So we have to print here, and then this is the hex value of 223. Let's say we have to put space right here, and then we will use the convert hex, and this represents what? Of course, any operands. So let's see the operands. This is integer, so we're gonna put here the num1. Of course, we have the num1 right there. And then we print the program, all right, and we run the program rather. So this is the hex value of 230x0e. Okay, that's it. Now we will create a program to, will again add this program. Let us amplify this program that will ask the user to enter the password. Okay, let's say we have the password right here. We'll ask the user to enter, I think, 3 numbers. Okay, let's say ask equals to int, and then we have here input. Let's say enter 3 numbers. Okay, so we have here 3 numbers here, and then we will again cipher this number into its corresponding value using the bin, and we have already the functions for the bin here. Okay, so we have convert bin. So this is the parameter to return, of course, the operands to the main program. So we have to ask the user to enter a numbers. Let's say for X in, let's say for count, it, okay, the variable in range, it says 0, let's say 0 to 3, okay. And then we will have to ask the user. Then we have to go right here and of course print the value. Let's say print, then we will put here, of course, convert to bin, convert bin. Okay, this is to convert, of course, the value of asked. Okay, all right, let us go right here, then check it. Enter three numbers. So you have to enter 2. That is converted to 0B10. I have here, of course, 30. Converted to, let's say, let us wait for a while. And then another one is 1. That is converted to 0B11. Okay, let us repeat the program. I think there's something wrong with the keys here. We have 2, enter, 0B10, 50. That is 0B010. And then we have here 1. That is 0B1. So that's the conversions of your data as part of your using this bin structure. You can also repeat this process and then use these functions convert to hex. So if you want to print all this value, well, of course we have the print. Then you need to escape here because it's part of the child statements under from your loop roof. So we have here to print. Okay, these are the cipher data. Okay, so we put here colon and then let us print that. Print. Let us check what will happen. Convert bin. Then we have asked. Okay, and let us put here and wait. Let us run the program. 3 numbers only. 3, 1, 100. Okay, let us edit the program. Convert bin is not defined. Okay, wrong spelling. Convert bin. All right, let us run it again. So we have now the code here. So we created 2 functions for the bin and for the hex. It's for you. It's up for you to use this example to, of course, to amplify your code. So we have 3 numbers, 1, 3, and then we need to enter what? 100. These are the cipher data. Okay, I don't know what happened, but of course this is the cipher data. 0B00, 0B1, and then we have 000. Okay, I think this is wrong. Okay, let us check it again. So convert pin to asked. Okay, I think I'm gonna erase this thing. Okay, we will check this first. Okay, well, we'll check this for a while, and then of course this is, I think, well, of course it makes it simple. We'll erase this and go back right here. So we need to convert the task, convert this input data into a binary by using this function at the top. So we have 2 functions for now. We have bin and of course we have the hex. Okay, when we run the program again, of course it will convert everything to, of course, to a binary. Okay, let us run the program again. So we can use this for, of course, you can use this for your passwords or other things. You can even store this inside the list. And then if you want to store this instead, it's very easy. We have to declare the list right here. So we have to declare here secret key, and then we have here the list. And then every time that we ask the program to enter the program, well, of course, we can say that, of course, we can also store this inside the list if you want. I mean, AS1, AS2, AS3. So we can put the list right here. So this is part of your part of our process later on if you want to improve your code. Okay. Now running the program again, let us check that, and then we have entered 3 numbers. Okay, so this examples belongs to the top of the code, so we have the 2, 3, 3 at the top. Okay, now running the program, enter 3 numbers. We have 20. So 20 is in binary. That is, let us wait for the compiler. That's 0B10 100. We have of course 20 again. Let us check if this is correct. Okay, that's correct. And then again we enter 2. All right. So these are the samples of your code protections for Python. Now, again, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop your comment in the provided link. Okay, thank you so much.